Hello, hello, friends. Hope you are doing great today. Brit here with a full body workout. No equipment necessary for this one. Let's go ahead and get started with that warm up. We're going to do a little march on the bottom and some shoulder rolls on the top. Nice, just easing in to the workout, finding out where our body is today, getting some oxygen flowing out to those muscles. Nice. We can do some shrugs up and down. Nice, and as you're feeling a little loose, you can go ahead and raise those knees up a little higher. Bring those feet out in front if you can. Nice. Let's make sure we're getting that proud chest set with those shoulder rolls. Beautiful. Taking that belly button into spine. Nice stable core. Good. And sure, yeah, you can go ahead and add some arm swings in. I got the live crew with me this morning. Remember, you can always join us. Just jump on over to my webpage, BritHallFitness.com. or exercisetofeelgood.com, and you can check the schedule there to join us for any live classes we have. Nice. Get that raise the roof. I'm loving that. Yeah. Shoulders back and down like they're in those back pockets. Looking good. All right. So we're going to kind of slow things down here. Stop for a balance movement and get some ankle rolls in 3, 2, and 1. Go ahead and you might want to have a wall or chair handy today. All right, little bend in that standing knee, some ankle rolls. Good. I've got a nice balance move. Good. Each foot. So that's always handy to have. Or a little wall nearby. That's why I like to be right here. All right. So looking good. Let's get some wiggles through those legs. How about some good mornings? So we are going to push the hips back. Remember, we're looking for that nice stretch in the hamstring. You can just let those hands roll down. You want to keep those shoulders back. Squeeze in the glute muscles to bring you up. Yeah. We love this one. Now, hands can be, sure, right there by the hips, or you can have them up by your head. Pushing those hips back, getting that nice stretch. Beautiful. And while you're down there, you can get a nice little reach down if you like onto the ground. Loving it. Looking good, crew. Give me just a few more of those. Nice. Warming the body up. Go ahead for those chest openers. We always like to add those in. Nice. 3 and 2. And 1. So I've got 4 movements for you today. We're going to run through them twice, just about 45 seconds each. We're going to continue with that good morning movement and get started with a walkout. Nice. So pushing those hips back. Now feel free to hang out here if this is your jam, but if you want to walk it out into a plank, this is our first movement. Just coming out right into that plank and pause, hips back up. Bring it all the way up and squeeze. Nice. Pushing it back. Walk it out. Take it down and push up those hips. Nice. Beautiful. Loving it. Walk it out. Now remember, you can just leave it in that good morning deadlift stretch right here. Beautiful. Let's have about 1 more. What do you think? Take it down, walk it out, into that plank. Pause. And back up. Beautiful. Nice. Squeeze it out. Second movement coming up is going to be some body weight squats. You can do a sit to stand in a chair if you like. Let's go ahead and get those feet facing forward or just a little bit out to the sides. And we're just going to squeeze that booty back, chest up, and lift. Nice. I like to keep my hands out in front for a counterweight, but you can keep them on your sides. You can take them right down the body, kind of helping keep that alignment. Remember, you want your shoulders to kind of stay right over those ankles, pushing those hips back, chest up. Beautiful. Nice. So if I'm looking at you, good. You can always see my face. You can try doing this against a wall. Also, we are almost there. Give me 3 and 2 and 1. All right, I promised you some balance moves. Let's do some single leg deadlifts. Now, again, deadlifts just like those good mornings, we're pushing those hips back. This time we're going to do one leg at a time, so I want a little bit of a balance. One leg's going to push back. You can take it back as much as you like, then just squeeze the glute on that standing leg to bring you back up again. Nice. You can rest your hand on that thigh for just a little bit of assistance. If this is feeling a little bit much for you, just keep it right here and up. Or always the option to just keep it with those good mornings. We're going to switch sides in 3, 2, and 1. Nice. So just pushing that hip back. Now in that standing leg, squeeze that booty cheek. Nice, looking good. Loving it. So just doing about 25 seconds on each side here. And then have one last movement for us in the series, and we will go ahead and repeat. Sound good? I've seen a lot of smiling faces out here. Remember, if you're catching this on the replay, I got lots of videos out here for you, and we bring a new one in each day, Monday through Friday. 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Shake it out. Shake it out. Last movement is going to be some standing bicycle crunches. So we're standing here, crunch, and crunch. Beautiful. So just like if we were laying on the ground, I'm taking the top of my hip bone and squeezing it into the bottom of that rib cage. Nice. And just turning a little bit to the side for that little bit of a bicycle. Nice. Breathing that air out. Each time we tuck, head is up. Beautiful. How about 3, and 2, and 1. Let's shake it all out. Are you ready to hit that one more time? I think that sounds good. All right, let's bring it on over here. We're going to hit those walkouts. Hips are going back. Remember, you can hang out in this deadlift stretch if you don't want to take it down to the ground at all. But one little walkout, a pause in that plank, and back up we go. Beautiful. Remember, feet a little wider if we need a little bit more stability. Nice. Walk it out. And pause. And walk it back in. Love it. Squeeze that booty to bring it up. Loving this. Just a nice quick workout running through these 4 exercises 2 times. Little stretches, and then you're on with your day. Squeeze. Daily movement is what it is all about, right? Beautiful. Pushing yourself just a little further than you did the day before. Nice. Give me 3, and 2, and 1. Back to those squats. So remember, we're going to have those feet standing, facing straight out, or just a little bit off to the sides, and find your squat. Is it a low one? Is it a high one? Whatever you're feeling. Just want to stay nice and in line. Chest is up and tall. Beautiful. If you had that wall in front of you, you're not crossing that line. We don't want to be falling forward, leaning back, straight down, and up. Always the option to do that. Sit to stand in a chair if that's more you're feeling today. Nice. Love it. Keeping those knees from coming too far forward. Booty goes back nice and tight. Give me 3, and 2, and 1. Are we ready for the single leg deadlifts? I think so. Here we go. You're going to find that wall. A little bend in those knees. Push that hip back. Find the stretch in that hand, that standing leg hamstring. Squeeze. And come on up. Nice. Just about 25 seconds on each side here. Love it. Guys are looking great. And bring it up. And take it down. Switch sides in 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. Nice. Push it back. Squeeze. Bring it up. Loving it. Bring it up. Remember, you could use a chair for this, a counter. Squeeze. They're going to be our last 10 seconds on these. Then just one more exercise. It's just those bicycle crunches, stretches, and you are out of here. Quick one today. Nice. And squeeze. 3, 2, and 1. Bicycle crunches. Boom. And boom. Nice. And if you can also leave those arms out. You're not feeling that, just a little, kind of the shoulder going towards the knee. Or you could opt for a regular crunch. You know, that's your workout. I'm here for you. Just offering the suggestions. Hopefully giving you a little, motivation along the way. You can do it. All right, we've just got 20 seconds left. All right. Bringing it on home in 10. We got this. Yes. We're going to have a nice stretch for you. I got some lower body moves in 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Shake it out. Get yourselves that drink of water. Towel off if you need. We're going to start with a reach through style good morning. Nice. Last good mornings of the day. With you. You can always do more. We're going to reach it all the way through this time. Hip through as far as you can. Squeeze that booty. Bring it up. Shoulders back and down. Nice. Reach through. We're going to do this one more time. And all the way up. Beautiful. Bend those knees. Bring it all the way down. Lovely. Let's head back to that wall for a nice quad stretch. Or a chair. So we can go behind the leg. Nice. Heel up to that booty. Or if you're not feeling that, you could always do a nice knee hug. That's going to give you a nice stretch too. Nice deep breath. Let's switch those legs. Nice. Heel up to the booty. Shoulders back. Nice. Deep breaths, letting that heart rate come down. A little bend in that knee. Remember, you can take a knee hug instead if that's more your style. Nice. We are going for that hamstring stretch. So I want you to push those hips back. 1 foot out, toe up, heel down. Resting those hands on those sides. Roll those shoulders back. Deep breath. Switch legs. Nice. You guys, we are here. We have done it. Quick. What was this one? Just about 12 minutes today. Nice. Hitting a lot of lower body. Really getting the whole body involved here. Beautiful. Let's come on up for those hugs. Read that chest opener. A little bend in those knees. Give me a nice hug. One arm over the other. Breath in and out. All right. This is it. Close the other arm over the top. Give yourselves that pat on the back. Kudos to you. You did a great job today. Get out of here. Have a great one. Peace, and I will see you tomorrow.